Hello ladies and gentlemen. On today's video I'm going to show you a quick glimpse of where to replace the battery for the Lightning McQueen cars. So, as you can see right here, this is the old battery. I'm gonna fix this battery because it's just dried up, get some sulfuric acid and so on. So, for those of you that don't want to throw away this beautiful little car, where you want to locate the battery is underneath the seat. You remove 2 screws here. Seat comes right up. As you see, got the new battery in there. I'm gonna fix the other battery so that way if this battery messes up, I can use the other battery as a backup. So as you can see, I have the positive with the positive, negative with the negative. Now let's see how it sounds when it turns on. Like a tiger. Running nice and perfect. Yeah. Now let's see. Well, I'm not gonna be able to see it, but you can hear it. Oh. Alright, so it's working 100% good. Hope this helps you out with your troubles out there. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.